Everything's heavy, everything's heavy, everything's heavy, yeah, shit's real heavy. Everything's heavy, everything's heavy, everything's heavy, yeah, shit's real heavy. Everything's heavy, everything's heavy, everything's heavy, yeah, shit's real heavy. Everything's heavy, everything's heavy, everything's heavy, yeah, shit's real heavy.
What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another one. Now, as promised, I told y'all this weekend we was starting a series, tearing down the four-wheeler. So, y'all see it. That's what we about to do. So, if you're here just watching the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date on all the videos that I post. You're gonna want to stay up to date on this because I think it's gonna be a dope build. We're gonna change up the color of it, change up the wheels, change up pretty much everything on it. Change up the color. I don't know if I said it already, but yeah, man, we're changing a lot of stuff. So make sure you stay up to date with this series. While you're at it, go ahead and click the link down below and make sure you give my partners over at Run Light a follow. And make sure you click the link to their website and go copy some merch. Best merch in the city, hands down. Best quality, best ideas, best creativity, best everything. So make sure y'all go to their website, copy out some merch, man. But I'm about to go ahead and put the camera down, throw it in time-lapse mode so y'all can just watch me as I break down the four-wheeler. I ain't never done it before. I done watched a few videos on, you know, the basics on it. But I'm just gonna be learning as I go, so I'm just gonna use this video as pretty much documentation on how to put it all back together. I got my baggies and my markers so I can mark my parts that go together, like the bolts for what they go to and all that stuff. So I got all that. Got me a little area to put everything spread out so I know where it is and I don't lose it and everything. But yeah, man, I'm about to go ahead and start on it. So make sure y'all go ahead and stick around to the end of the video and enjoy.
Go, Pt.1, go, go.
All right, y'all, so far it's going good. Not really any complications to it. I done marked all my plastic baggies. We done got the fairings taken off. I'm getting the exhaust taken off right now so that I can get the step bar taken off. Probably move on to the Nerf bars next, then rear suspension, and then front suspension. And then after that, it should be all simple stuff. After that, it'll just be the motor, getting it out of the frame, taking off that rear swing arm, taking off the rear, I forgot what that upper thing is called, part that you sit on, I don't know. And I don't know, it should be pretty easy. Had to put a new battery in it, but like I said, I was giving y'all a little update on how it's going so far. Now that I'm, I don't know, 10-15% into the tear down. So I'm gonna get back to it and put y'all back on time lapse.
Go, Pt.1, go, go. Go, Pt.1, go, go.
Alright, man, as y'all can see, I done got it pretty torn down. All the fairings, got the Nerf bars off. I got most of the air box taken apart and part of the rear wiring harness, but I done ran into a little problem with the intake. So about to just go ahead, do some research and see if I can figure out how to get that off, because I'm kind of stuck at the moment. But I don't know, I may continue to do that, and I may take off the swing arm. I don't know just yet, but whatever I decide, you'll see it in the next video. This one was just, you know, starting it. We done got pretty far for the first video, so make sure y'all stick around for the next video. I think it's gonna be a pretty good series. I'm gonna try to get it done as quick as possible. With my work schedule and everything, me going out of town, it probably won't get done as fast as I hope, but we're gonna try. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, stay up to date on all my videos, man. And I'll see y'all on the next one. It's Vlogging with Trey. I'm out, man.